Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day so far. My name is EQ. Welcome to EQ Trades. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick one. I want to go over what I see in the Bitcoin chart and what I see moving forward into the next week. So it's great to see that price finally broke out of this downtrending channel. Now this is common action for a continuation pattern. You can see uptrend movement, then we have a downtrending channel, and now we're starting to break to the upside, which is what we were looking for in the EPIQ trading floor. But before you get too excited and thinking that this is automatically going to break to the 60K range, we are getting pretty close to a bearish crossover at the moment on the hourly chart, and we're hitting some critical resistances where we've seen sell-offs previously. Now for the bulls, volume is going to be confluent with the idea that we can continue on an uptrend. I just think that on the shorter term, we're going to want to find support, maybe bounce back down to this 57K range, where we can retest this SR flip. So resistance, resistance, resistance. We want to test this as a support now on the downtrending channel and confirm that we're not going to drop back into the channel. And at the same time, this 58K range is going to be the range low for the consolidation that we've been in since February. So if we can confirm two support holds at the same time here, that would be great to see. Now when I zoom out to the 4 hour, you can see that this is confluent here too. We're also in a bearish crossover. Now price has taken off, but when you do see a bearish crossover and price is quote unquote bullish, these are the times that it's really likely and highly probable to see price start to pull back down. This would be liquidity grabs and fake outs. So the 4 hour chart is confluent with the 1 hour, and ideally we do want to see this come back down. And then when the 4 hour starts to cross bullish and we see the bullish cross in the daily as well, that would be an ideal time to see this impulse back up, if the market wants to do that. Now if we do push up, I do want to see a resistance somewhere in the 60 to 63K range. That's going to retest this long-term uptrending support that we've been following, which now could potentially be a long-term resistance. So that's something I'm keeping an eye out for and in long term. And that's where I'm expecting us to hit before we start to see some real weakness in the market and potentially pull it back down into, let's say, the 50 or 40K range. Now, if you want to come trade with me, make sure to check out the EPIQ trading floor. We have limited seats available. If you found anything useful in this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in the next video.